It tastes like caramel cinnamon. It's better than cinnamon.
I was actually kind of nervous doing this. Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. So today I have quite the video for you. I'm now in the car headed to school because I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning and made some delicious cinnamon buns. Now don't ask me for the recipe because it's for a secret project, but you'll see soon. Okay, so I made these cinnamon buns because I thought it'd be fun to have the kids at my school try my food on camera and give you guys their honest feedback. I'm not cutting out any negative reviews or anything. It's all gonna be in here. Okay, I'm super excited. Let's head to school. Okay, so I'm at school and I'm in the stairwell because it's literally the only place that's quiet. I now have a bunch of cinnamon buns and a bunch of kids are coming over to try it. Okay, first up, Bryan, come here. So first kid that's trying it is Bryan, who I've known for literally my whole life. He went to middle school, like elementary school, middle school, and now high school with me. Okay, Bryan, so try my cinnamon bun and let's hear your honest reaction. Okay.
Very good. Eat
Good.
this all day.
Are you doing an
I
impression?
would definitely recommend it to a friend.
You would? It's good?
Yeah.
Okay, so next up I have Isabelle and Neely who are gonna try it. Although they said they're not gonna say bad criticism, but so if they don't like it, we're not gonna know. All right, let me know what you think. I just made it this morning. See, I don't know if they're faking because before we started filming, it's good.
It's so good.
Because I feel like people always ask me to make food, so I figured if I'm gonna make it for people, I may as well film it.
Oh my god, it's so good.
That's good.
It's really warm.
We made cinnamon buns. Do you want to try one on camera?
Yes.
All right, so wait till they finish eating, then you can have one.
It's amazing.
It's good?
Yeah. 10 out
Does
of
it
10.
live up to the hype? Because I feel like people think I make the world's best food, but I don't necessarily.
You
It's
do.
good?
It lives up to the hype. It lives up to the hype.
It does? Okay, good.
Wait, you made it this morning?
Can we say it together? No, like
Is this like a lawsuit?
No.
Hey, so what time do you wake up to
It's
make
better than Cinnabon. It really is. It's better than Cinnabon. I'm not joking. Like, it actually is better than Cinnabon.
Really? That's good. That's the whole point.
Okay, good. I'm glad.
Okay, so I was in the middle of filming, and then all of these girls came up and wanted to eat it. So you ready? Wait, here, there's another one.
What I did, I just eat it. Here.
Yeah, do you need more forks?
Chef Eitan's the best chef in the world. He's so good. We're supposed to eat it now.
Yeah, eat it and let us know what you think.
We're on Chef Eitan's video. Woo!
What do you think? Good?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like Cinnabon. Have you ever had the Cinnabon down the road?
I just swallowed my gum.
I'm eating the whole thing.
It's good, right?
Sick.
Okay, next up is Aria, Tamar, and Tali. You don't want to be on camera?
Okay, it's me and Tamar.
Okay, guys, they are my Cardi B enthusiasts as well. They are.
True.
Yeah, you guys have seen her perform, right?
No.
No?
Tali has.
It's on our list.
You have?
Tali has.
I'm so jealous.
It's on our list.
It is
Tali.
very much on our list.
Okay, wait, now everyone eat it on camera and tell us what you
I
think.
need to try this. I need to try it.
You give me honest reaction. Yeah, I made it at 5 a.m. this morning.
Bernard, so good.
It's good?
It's actually very good.
Holy.
You want Bernard?
Oh my god. I'll never stop eating this.
It's good, right?
It's amazing.
I haven't even eaten one yet.
It tastes like caramel cinnamon.
That's the point.
Real. Do you like
Okay.
the recipe?
No, but I made it like 20 times until I got it the same.
Very This is so good.
Yeah. So you like it? It's good?
So Bernard,
It's so
I was like,
good.
I was actually kind of nervous doing this because I feel like people like think I make like the world's best food.
You do.
It's a lot to live up to.
Like
It's
it's
like
so
caramel.
good. Like it
It's
actually
good?
does.
And it's snowing. Oh, it's so perfect.
I know it's snowing. Look at this.
Perfect.
I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's snowing, which is kind of crazy. I will play Cardi B right now.
So big bite.
I need water.
Oh my god. Is it fresh?
Yeah, I made it at literally 5 a.m. this morning.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's good, right?
Yeah, I'm kidding. It's so good.
Okay. Wow. All right, so I was just about to sign into school, but I came here and Toby wanted to be in my video. Your kids watch my YouTube channel, right?
Lily and Zoe, shout out.
All right, so are you ready to try it?
I can't wait.
I want your real opinion. Like, if you
Okay.
don't like it, let me know. But
Eitan wants me to eat this with a fork, but I'm just going in there.
it's supposed to be like Cinnabon.
Mmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
Thank you. I woke up at 5 a.m.
Not
this
too
morning.
sweet, soft and pillowy. Yum.
So you
Love
like it? That's good? All right. Should we do, you want to do the outro with me?
Okay, what do we do?
You could just stand here and then wave at the end, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys, so, wait, let's zoom in.
Can I continue eating?
Yeah, you can continue eating. All right, so I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you for being in the end of it. If you guys haven't already, be sure to click that big red subscribe button down below and like the video because, I mean, look how incredible these look. And comment down below, what is your favorite food? Do you love Cinnabons? Do you not? I wanna know. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.